Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, December 4, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. Coffee smells good today.
Hi, David. Good morning. Yes, I need this black coffee.
Busy morning? I have 3 sales calls ahead.
Yes, project meeting at 10. I feel tired already.
Me too. Long week, but coffee helps.
True. Strong coffee wakes me up.
Hey, did you see the news? Crazy stuff?
No, what news? Tell me.
President Trump, he said bad words.
What did he say? About what?
Somali immigrants, he called them garbage.
Garbage? Really? When?
In a cabinet meeting, Tuesday this week.
The New York Times reported it. Shocking.
Yes. He said he does not want them here.
Somali people live in U.S. long time?
Right? Many in Minnesota. Good workers.
Now what? More problems?
ICE starts big operation in Minneapolis, St. Paul.
Why there? Big Somali area?
Exactly. Targets them now.
That's mean. Hurts families.
Yes, my sales clients there worry.
Business impact? Less trust?
Yes, customers ask about politics.
Sales hard in bad times.
Trump talks loud, like my loud boss.
Huh? The boss closes deals.
True, Trump, not sure.
Nativism bad for economy.
We sell to all people, need open markets.
Right? Stable politics help sales.
Yes, this news scares clients.
Society divides more.
Like office gossip, splits teams.
Good point. Stay neutral at work.
Yes, but hard with this news.
Change topic. Other news.
Sure, Wall Street Journal 1.
Tet, I saw it.
Politics and debt, bad mix.
Yes, do not mix well.
Americans look to Europe.
Europe has big debt problems.
Government spend too much there.
Now U.S. debt grows fast.
Like our office budget, always short.
Huh, projects over budget often.
Inflation makes costs high.
Yes, materials cost more.
If debt crisis, sales drop.
Economy slows, bad for all.
Boss talks debt in meetings.
Worried makes sense.
Elections change spending rules.
Politics controls budget.
We need stable money for business.
Plan projects long term.
Europe teaches lessons.
High debt leads to cuts.
Jobs lost, sales down.
Watch news close.
Yes, affects my quotas.
Projects delay if money tight.
Office feels it too.
True, coffee budget cut last month.
No, that's bad.
Joke, but possible.
Keep coffee free.
Important for talks like this.
Next news, teens won.
Boston Globe survey, yes.
Teens hate news media.
Lost generation of news users.
My nephew is 16, ignores news.
Says what? Fake?
Yes, only TikTok videos.
Short clips, fast info.
News boring to him.
Survey says 84% negative.
Words like biased, crazy, bad.
Depressing too.
Office young people same.
Scroll phones all day.
No newspapers here.
Social media rules.
Entertainment over real news.
Movies and games win.
Hurts future business.
Young customers not informed.
Sell to smart buyers better.
Teach them news?
News break at coffee?
Good idea. Share articles.
They laugh, prefer reels.
Tech changes how we learn.
Computers busy with work.
Phones for fun news.
Society problem big.
Less informed voters.
Impacts politics too.
Back to Trump news.
Cycle, teens vote later.
Need better news for youth.
Make it fun, like videos.
Short and visual.
Office could try.
Projects use TikTok trends.
Sales, yes. Viral products.
Smart, adapt to changes.
Culture shifts fast.
We watch it.
Coffee almost gone.
Yes, meeting soon.
My call at 9.
Good luck. Close big deal.
Thanks. You manage project well.
Hope so. Team ready?
Tired but excited.
Coffee power.
Black strong best.
I like milk softer.
Sales need strong kick.
Projects need calm mind. Huh, perfect match.
Talk news helps think.
Starts day right.
Tomorrow same, more news.
Yes, always chat here.
See you later. Good day.
You too, bye.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.